Whoa, don't get popped in the face there, buddy. A little bit of branch action. Hey! Somebody order a treetop. So we got power lines, power lines, power lines. I jumped right into this. Dave here also, by the way, as usual. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to the channel, 904tree.com. Might throw this up on my P1 mitigator site also, but we got the Bobcats, we got the guys out here. Oh, well, we even got hard hats on the scene. Got one of our reliable crane contractors. We got the bucket truck down here if we need it. That's been dragging around the lift here. We got this lift. Check out the big treetop here. You homeowners be shocked on how much debris actually comes off these trees. This is a lot. It fills up a trailer fast, very fast. So we got Shane in the bucket. Hi, Shane. He can't hear us because he's got his little headset on. See his little headset. So he uses that headset to talk to the crane operator. So he's got there's a crane operator. How you doing, YouTube? Okay. So he's got the headset on. And what the guys are doing now is, in order to lay this thing flat down safely, they got to start taking off sections of it. So that's what they're doing right now. That's actually the boss man. Oh, whole tree just hit this. Yep, so. Might even come my way, but right there. So he's just topping off the branches. And again, we're way up there. So it's just so we can lay this thing flat down. And we're moving again, so I'm going to back up here. But it looks like we're hung up on this other tree here too, so it is a bit of tactitional branch management to get some of this stuff done. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. 904tree.com